The best way to get clients, there's a couple different ways. You can reach out to people you've worked with in the past and ask them for a referral. But if you don't have such leads, what I would try to do is use the friends and family network to let people know what it is that you're doing.
So when I started, like I think in my first month it was around $200 or $300, and I think around 20,000, 25,000 rupees or something. And this was working with 3 or 4 clients.
A 10-minute video if I have to create that too with high editing, like say AV, right? I would charge anywhere between 60K to 1 lakh. Aram se, right? Because first of all, there's a lot of effort from my side. Secondly, I create the best videos in India.
What if I told you you can earn upwards of 20 lakhs a month just by freelancing? I wanted to find out how the heck is this even possible. So I interviewed 3 freelancers and asked them how they did it. So tell me how you got your first few clients.
So when I started, like I think in my first month it was around $200 or $300, and that was I think around 20,000, 25,000 rupees or something. And this was working with 3 or 4 clients doing like article writing, social media. Like at that point when I started, I was doing a lot of different things. I just said yes to everything. So I've written brochures, I've written product descriptions for like Amazon, I've written sales pages, I've written video scripts, and across industries. Like I've written for a poultry farm as well. Just try to get just say yes to as many things as
Yeah.
possible, like things that I didn't imagine I would end up writing for. But I just kept saying yes. I kept writing for them, and yeah, so that's where I started with $200-$300.
I got my first few clients because my work was featured on an Adobe After Effects CD-ROM that was sent to everyone who purchased After Effects. And so my first 2 leads came from people who'd seen that CD-ROM. One was for a company called Novacom, and the other was Focus Productions.
I feel that one of the very big pain points of freelancers is getting high quality clients. So what do you feel is the best way to get more quality clients?
The best way to get clients, there's a couple different ways. You can reach out to people you've worked with in the past and ask them for a referral. But if you don't have such leads, what I would try to do is use the friends and family network to let people know what it is that you're doing and that you're looking for work and you're looking for any kind of opportunity. I think when you're starting out, it's kind of important to just get some experience under your belt, and it might mean compromising a little bit on what you're willing to do for how much money. But that initial first project can help you build up a lot of confidence and start to inform you about how the real world works versus how school might work.
What advice do you have for budding freelancers who want to charge more?
Right, first of all, understand what kind of problem you're solving for the client. I understand that you will solve the problem at some point, but if the problem is like if you're making his life only 10% better, just charge worth 10%, right?
Okay.
Like I have also realized that like I think this was with another company who was looking for videos, and they were like they had a very small budget, right? And they were like we need this and we need only you, like if you can do it, we really beg you. Or like the social media guy literally begged me, like please kar de yaar. I said no. Like it should be worth my time. So for me, what I would do is, say for example, if it's an early stage startup who's raised money, so I'll literally go and I'll check on the internet saying that okay, what is their marketing budget? How much are they willing to spend? Right? How much effort is good? It's gonna be from my end, right?
Okay.
So based on that, like if you ask me, say like a 10-minute video if I have to create that too with high editing, like say AV, right? I would charge anywhere between 60K to 1 lakh. Aram se, right? Because first of all, there's a lot of effort from my side. Secondly, I create the best videos in India, right?
True.
Right? And also I feel that because मेरा उतना time जा रहा है, उतना मेरा effort जा रहा है, उतना मेरे ideas जा रहे हैं, my ideas are that worth. Like I would actually not even start from 60, I would start from 1 lakh.
Solve bigger problems, get better known, have social proof, have testimonials, work with bigger clients so that other bigger clients want to work with you. The first part is to get experience any which way you can so that you can then say to people, I've done real work. And it's important for your own self-confidence more than anything. So if you negotiate too hard when you don't have any experience, you can find that the few real opportunities you have will be gone and you'll be stuck.
Also, can you share the importance of having a good portfolio as a freelancer?
I don't know how you can get confidence without a portfolio or skill or practice or experience. So it would seem like in orders of operation, you would have to have a portfolio first. And the way that you build up your confidence is to be able to do this for somebody other than yourself. So when you're first starting out, you're just doing work for yourself. It's student work, it's self-initiated work, whatever it is. So you don't know yet how to work with other people, and it's important to develop that muscle memory, that ability to take on a creative brief, to work through the challenges that you're going to have inevitably working with another person who's paying you. So get the work.